Next person is Soluminatti. I'm passing because I don't like that name.
Right?
Yeah, I'm passing.
See, I don't like that hat he be wearing. Like, he got dreads, and you know, y'all know I mess with the dread heads. Shout out to my dread heads. Ow.
Shout out to y'all. Ow.
Okay, but yeah, I had to pass because he be wearing a hat over his dreads, and that
Yeah,
right? Like, that's weird.
Defeating the purpose of the dress.
Right, and he wearing fucking baseball hats and shit. Like, no.
You're out.
I'm gonna have to pass, sir.
Soluminatti. Okay. It's a smash with that hat on. It's a pass without that hat on. So if I was to smash him, I would need him to keep that hat on. Like, and he seems kind of cocky too. And let me tape his mouth shut too. I'm gonna tape his mouth shut, and he gotta keep the hat on. Otherwise, it's a pass. It's smash with that hat. Pass without that hat. Okay, so that's all I got to say about him.
Smash or pass, flight react. Ooh,
I'm gonna pass on that one.
I mean, he can give me head because his little videos, he be like, well,
let me find out.
I'm not gonna say nothing, but yeah. I'll let him give me head. That's about it. And maybe
like
some
that.
more.
And some more after that.
Is that good? You feel me?
Nah.